About that one. I see that one when I walk into Hobby Town.
I like it. It flies really, really well.
Let's see if I can find off the runway. Yeah, I think the trim.
Spitfire from eFlite. Got full flaps on the takeoff. Flaps are off. Gears are up. I had to max my trim out on this one.
Oh, really?
Yeah, some reason it didn't want to fly level.
It's the cold weather.
Cold weather?
No, I'm serious. I hear the air is it heavier? Yeah.
I figured it's just because I didn't put the battery far enough forward.
Oh, well,
I'm running a 4S on it, and I thought, well, maybe, couldn't remember. It's been a couple months since I've flown it. And so I pulled it back a little bit, thinking that I might need the extra weight away from the nose, you know.
I can see. Well, I tell you what.
Yeah, how did that procedure go?
Oh, we were there for an hour and a half.
That's not very long.
About that doctor.
So what did he do? Just
put me in front of a laser and go zapped it. I think it was about 25, 28 times. And when he was looking in there, he said, "You can't see out of that eye, can you?" And I go, "No."
Huh.
It's all foggy.
So it was you got the whole cataract off?
Yeah, well, what it is, I had cataract surgery 5 years ago. And the cataract can grow back. You follow me?
Right.
And they call it a gag treatment I had to have. Y-A-G. Don't ask me what it means. I don't know. And they go in there with a laser and they zap the new growth off, and it supposedly never comes back. That's what he said. He said, "I'll never see you back in here for that again."
Huh.
So, yeah, it cost me $250 an eye. I wish I would order that plane last week. I'd probably bought 2 of them. I wasn't thinking about the extra $250.
Oh yeah, yeah.
So I'll probably go ahead and order 1 of them. And like you said, get it and take the other one down to Roy's. It's not really that big of a deal. But I think I know what it was probably pretty good advice is what I'm saying. And too, I'm out of room in my airplane room.
I'd probably take it over there and sell it put 70 on it with no receiver and take 60 without the receiver. Because I'm telling you, the receiver's worth $30. You know what I mean?
I was thinking about putting 85 on it and tell them, well, I'll take 75, and the time I give away that'll leave me 67.50, I think, something like that. So
right.
That wouldn't be that bad. Almost $70. Yeah, I got home last night and went in there and cleared out the memory on that airplane, that AT6.
Right.
I couldn't get it to latch up. I only tried once. I did go in and change. I was going to have you check it. I set it up for that what is it, B or C switch. I set it up for the right switch, and it wouldn't latch on. So I thought, well, I'm not going to mess with it because I had to go back in and set everything back up. I've got it all written down. But,
it worked out perfect on mine.
I know. I thought I'll have you look at this one in a minute. But you're doing great. Really pretty, really pretty.
Yeah, that Texan bound up perfect to mine when we tried it.
Yeah, I know.
What do you think's going on with it?
I don't know. It may have been me. I had a headache when I got home, and I still had the headache. It's not like it was though. And I forgot to put the drop in my eye last night. He said put in. It's not antibiotic. It's something to keep the swelling down. So I'll put it in 2 or 3 times a day.
eFlite Spitfire.